To enable and use voice typing on Oppo Find X9 Pro, first of all, you will need to open settings on your device. Next step is to scroll all the way down and enter System and Updates. Look for the input method and select Manage Keyboards. From there, go to the Gboard and find the voice typing. Make sure that voice typing is activated. You can also go for faster voice typing, and it will be then available offline. Just keep in mind that it will download the voice package for that specific language input. Now let's open our keyboard, and right here you need to make sure that you have language input selected that you're gonna speak with. So if we click and hold space, there's the English that I have selected. Now find the microphone icon that should be located right there. You can click on it and then make sure to allow this permission. After that you can begin speaking, and your keyboard should recognize that and start typing with exactly what you say. So after a moment, now it should work fine. Yes, it does. So that is basically everything. Thanks so much for watching.